Your holiday weekend report.
2 minutes before the top of the hour. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marny Stanier, and this is Vivian Brown. In just a couple of minutes, I will have the ski forecast for this holiday weekend. But right now, check on all the current weather.
All the current conditions across the nation. This time yesterday, it was a very serene and tranquil pattern, but today we have more than enough to talk about. Just an example. We'll start with a view from above, though, and show you the cloud coverage over the last 12 hours or so and how they have progressed throughout the western half of the United States. The northwest, especially underneath all this clouds, these are some very serious clouds. They mean business. Underneath all of these, we do have quite a bit of rain and some snow, too, to tell you about in just a minute. Here's a frontal system throughout the eastern portions of the United States and some very, very unstable air. As you can see, the blue and the green colors are indicating rain on this map. That's where the rain is falling most heavily. All of this rain is headed to the northeast at about 45 miles per hour. The second radar stop takes us into Longview, Texas, and show you the rainy conditions that has prevailed throughout the eastern portions of Texas. That will continue on through the day. Stay with us. We'll be back.
Hi.
Marny?
Thanks a lot.
With the jet stream and examine the upper waves of the atmosphere and show you that we basically have a zonal flow. All the storm systems are moving from west to east. We do have and the paraphernalia because football season is in full swing. Here's our football forecast. Let's
29 past the hour. Thanks for joining us. I'm Marny Stanier, and this is Vivian Brown. The holiday weekend is upon us, and a lot of folks will be hitting the highways and byways with the travel problems and an entire look at all the traveling weather. Here's Vivian.
That's right, and you may run into some travel problems, especially throughout the
Feel it, International Falls, Bemidji, and Fargo, and Grand Forks. Now, early morning on New Year's Eve Day, we think you will be dodging a few snow flurries. That precipitation will again be in the form of rain with plenty of moisture streaming in from the Gulf, so a continued chance for rain, it looks like, around the Gulf. In the west, more snow, and boy, if you have some ski plans, this is good news. We have excellent ski conditions in the west. Most ski resorts are reporting powder and packed powder, one or the other, and a lot of spots have new snow, so that is very good news. The outlook for the precipitation potential: rain along the coast. They had record rainfall amounts in Astoria, Oregon. More rain, of course, with all that precipitation moving in moisture moving in off the Gulf. In the ski area, too, light snow in the northeast, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snow. High temperatures for this Friday will climb nicely over the Sunshine State, but all in all, a pretty cold